The ANYCUBIC Kobra Neo is engineered to elevate your 3D printing experience with speed, precision, and ease of use, making it a perfect choice for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, this printer combines compact design with robust performance, measuring 15x20x20 and weighing just 18 ounces, a rare combination of portability and capability. 5x high-speed printing experience, up to 5x faster printing compared to traditional models. With a maximum print speed of 250 mm and a recommended speed of 150 mm, the Kobra Neo significantly reduces print times while maintaining high-quality results. Whether you're working on a prototype or an artistic design, this speed allows for rapid iteration without sacrificing accuracy. New integrated 60W extruder and advanced cooling system. The upgraded extrusion system includes a powerful 60-balder hot end that melts filament quickly and consistently. Paired with a high-efficiency 7,000 RPM cooling fan, this system ensures rapid cooling, faster solidification, and more stable prints, especially important for detailed or complex models. Enhanced detail and stability. The Kobra Neo incorporates linear propulsion and input shaping via Marlin firmware, reducing ringing and spillage during prints. These features greatly enhance print surface quality, delivering smoother lines, sharper corners, and superior overall model fidelity, even on fast prints. Great results are no longer limited to experienced users. First-timers can achieve professional-grade quality right out of the box. ANYCUBIC 2.0 auto-leveling with Smart Z offset compensation. Featuring ANYCUBIC 2.0 automatic leveling, the printer automatically compensates for irregularities in the bed surface. What sets it apart is the intelligent Z-axis offset correction, allowing the printer to adapt to different build surfaces and user preferences. Beginners and advanced users alike benefit from hassle-free setup and consistent first layers, critical for successful printing. Built for all skill levels, the intuitive design makes the Kobra Neo easy to set up and operate, making it ideal for novices stepping into 3D printing, while offering the performance and configurability professionals expect. It's an excellent choice for rapid prototyping, design modeling, educational use, and creative projects. Reliable support and warranty. ANYCUBIC backs the Kobra Neo with a 1-year warranty, 3 months for the print head, 6 months for the heated bed, plus 24/7 customer support to ensure you're never stuck during your creative journey. Whether you need technical help or setup assistance, you're covered by a trusted brand with a strong global presence.